Damn, they was over here twisting that shit last night. Look at that shit. Damn, I missed the slide show Sunday Fun Day. I missed it. Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search while smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said she want me, well I want to too. I text her at 10 when I'm in the mood. She shaking it slow, she know what to do. Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search while smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said she want me. What's the deal, man? Bring y'all another POV. So it is Tuesday, man. Just got to work again, man. You'll see the bag right there. Hold on, so we'll go ahead. I'm gonna do another quick video for y'all. I might go to the car wash. I don't know. We're gonna switch the route up, but like take a different route. So obviously, like, you feel me? Me driving, how I like actually just go. But yeah, we'll try to do a one take on this, cause last video we did a one take. You feel me? Came out pretty straight. I just feel like I was talking too much and not, you feel me, hitting the gas and enough. If y'all know what I mean by that. I just feel like I was hitting the gas too much. You feel me? Just not type shit like not talking. I was talking a lot, but. You feel me? I just feel like I was hitting the gas. Ooh, wait. That motherfucking nice. That BMW X6. Can't really hit the gas because these niggas on bullshit. Try to catch you with a full clip.
Oh, bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, yeah, man, another day in the life of Detroit, Mexico, man. And I just keep getting caught by all the lights.
Come on, man.
That shit is irritating, man. Let's see if we can catch some whips out today. Like, if you don't know, Detroit, like, we'll be bringing the whips out, but, like, niggas should be smashing this shit. Niggas be macking all kind of shit, man. For that trucks, but I fuck with the camera, though. Let me know if y'all fuck with the camera. Yeah, take shit. But yeah, man, we got content coming soon. I'm just trying to get like some daily vlogs. If you feel me, point of view, POVs. I'm talking point of views. POVs. I'm gonna keep trying to get that to y'all daily, you know, cause who don't want to watch like a daily POV type shit of a Henry? The niggas cutting up. But I'm gonna go this week to go get my straight pipe and get well, I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna fully straight pipe it or if I do like a resonators and then do like a mid muffler the next one. And then it's all the fabulous tips on the last one. And then of course we got a long tube headers video too. That's coming always. That's coming anyways, I should say. That's coming anyway, I should say. There's another BMW on the side. What's all these BMWs out here? Clean little black 300 over there that y'all see. Like a V6. Oh, what's that over there? That's the SRT?
Relax.
Keep behind. That's the SRT. It's nice. It's like it's squatting on shit. I know y'all see that. Hold on, let me zoom in. See that SRT Jeep, man? Oh, I'm gonna hit the SRT Jeep. Damn, yeah, see? Come on. Niggas trying to make me get hit by the motherfucker. You feel me? Like, why am I always coming back from work and it be some BS? Like, look at it. Nigga on this big ass 4x4 Hummer. Got that bitch sitting up too high. Lower that bitch, nigga. And I got a Ram truck behind me. Y'all niggas trying to silence a nigga. Got a Ram truck and that 4x4. It's a Discovery up there. That bitch is kind of straight. That bitch right there. That bitch look clean. Go, man, keep it going. Why we stopping? But yeah, man, I'm trying to. Ooh, police right there and John. Yeah, I'm recording. Try some fuck shit. Watch you on camera.
Why do y'all continue to do this to me?
You feel me? You don't know, man. Detroit, they love being racist. Even though we were most of this junk originate, they still like to be racist. But it's all cool though. It's some shit in life that you gotta watch out for. Just be a reminder for. Like this big ass truck, I'm mindful of these Hummers still exist. Cause I haven't seen a Hummer in about so long. Last time I seen a Hummer was that Gucci Man video. And if you're an OG and you old enough, look, it's another Hummer right here. What's up with all these Hummers? They out here. Is Hummers taking over? Hold on. Hummers taking over? Yo, let me know in the comment section if I should grab me a Hummer, man. Heighten that bitch up. Big boy hopped out that bitch.
Oh my God, you stupid!
Come on, man. Jeez. Oh. We're going. Oh, security. Slow boat. Turn my heat off real quick. It's a little chilly up in here. Not chilly, but it's a little hot. Ooh, there's still on the rims. I don't know why I got a feeling I've seen that one somewhere. I'm trying to do another pull. Cause I want to do pulls and more. Cause like that last video, I want you for real. That's what I like to see, huh? Even though we ain't got no, look at that SRT Jeep again. He ain't tweaking in that bitch though. He ain't tweaking in that hoe though. Let me have an SRTG. I'm tweaking out in that hoe. No cap.
C-A-P.
And don't mind my hand shaking. I don't got my tripod. I'm just using my bare hand on this video. And I believe I used my bare hand on the last video too. Let me take the curves nice though, a little bit. Let's see if this snag real quick. This ain't your average 300. This motherfucker pull. This motherfucker pull. If y'all wanna know why I pull so long, I mean, I would give y'all the secret sauce. Whoa there, don't hit that. Y'all seen that blinker was on? Don't turn up while I'm right here. NASCAR driver shit. Oh, this nigga keeping up behind me in that little caddy. You wanna keep up behind me in the caddy? Okay. I got something for you. We gonna just cut up real quick. You feel me? Some light shit. That nigga followed me too. We going this way. You trying to cut up? Props to you, bro. Whoever you is, props to you, cause you was cutting up in that bit. They still cutting up. Hold on. We out there with you. We here cutting up with you. I thought I said SRT. That bitch say 2.0 though. The 2.0 trying to leave my shit. Sleeper build? Let me know if I should raise my brightness up to him too. It's a little dark. Yeah, he know how to cut up. He know how to cut up in that little caddy over there. He know how to cut up in that. I don't know what Brody on. What the fuck is he on? cutting up, though, I get bro props. For sure. He's still cutting up, but she's still cutting up. She's still cutting up, he's still trying to cut up. You feel me? If you out here, and you feel me, you want to start YouTube, go ahead and start, you feel me? It don't matter if you feel like you're not gonna have the best content or you don't know what the vlog, at least you get something started, you feel me? At least start the YouTube up. Like, I started off from like, I didn't know what I want to do for real. I didn't know if I want to do public interviews, car shit. I'm gonna do a pull for y'all, but if I want to do car shit, I like that, that was nice. Ooh, I'm gonna go around this nigga though. This nigga tweaking, oh. Why you gotta tweak like that? Boy, you acting slow. Hey, if y'all know that song, man, drop a comment, man. I'ma pin your shit. Damn, they was over here twisting that shit last night. Look at that shit. Damn, I missed the slide show, Sunday Fun Day. I missed it. Oh, I see Hummers everywhere, this big ass truck. So I might bring some extra content out, but this video not even long for real, it's like 10 minutes. But yeah, man. So I got a few more pulls for y'all, man. Probably a quicker video, but it's like, of course it's quicker because you feel me, I was cutting up more. Motherfucker said I be talking. If I talk too much, you feel me, let me know. If I ain't hitting the gas too much, let me know. You feel me? If y'all want to see slide, drift, you feel me? Let me know. You feel me? So yeah, let me know if y'all want to see cutting up more, like sliding more, like me riding out with people, me riding out downtown, just stuff like that. Car meets, you know. Of course I'm gonna get all that content for y'all, but I just want to know like what y'all want to actually see more of type shit. You feel me? If y'all want to see hot boxes, you know, POVs, mod videos, of course all that's coming, you know. Like, I just want to know like what y'all vote on, like what y'all like the most type, you feel me? It's really mostly about y'all, you feel me? Y'all the ones who watch the video, y'all the ones give me monetized, all that type of shit. I'm doing this because of y'all, for real, you know. I know a lot of people don't be like cutting up when they supposed to, you know, scat packs, any type of Hemi, anything really V6 you can even cut up in, you feel me? People don't really be cutting up in the motherfuckers. I be like, I been looking like, dog, everybody got these scats, Hellcats and shit. Don't cut up though. Like, niggas swear they cut up or they, you feel me, got hands. Nah. Most of these people don't, man. This is rap cap. Rap cap. But yeah, man, we just parked the whip, man. I got a good little D60 of the whip. 60, man. Feel me? Here's some light shit. I know y'all probably tired to see in the car, but one of those. But yeah, you feel me? I get that thumbnail, you feel me? Boy, if you don't. So, about the tail lights, I got some newer like 2015 and up tail lights. This, I'm probably gonna debadge this and probably like throw the newer one on, debadging that. You know, if y'all don't know, for the swap. You know, I told you about the tail lights. This whole top, like this, in the hood, gonna all be carbon fiber black tail.
Oh, that was different.
But I don't really want to tell y'all the colorway tree. I might try to just take my shit, you feel me?
Bitch, I'm not playing with you.
But you feel me? These gonna have the carbon fiber. This could be, I'll go ahead and block these out. Carbon fiber on these though. I'm thinking about fully tinting this.
Wow.
Hey, fuck it.
Like 20% or like 30%, something light. But if not, I'm just gonna get like the sun strip, drop it down a little bit like to the halfway, so. New hood gonna come. Also, gotta get some new wiper blades. These bitches doo-doo as hell. Look at this. It's peeling out. This how the baby look from the front. So just look from the front. Feel me? So we're gonna get this new grill. I'm probably gonna order that this week. I'm gonna get that new grill. Or I could really just do that one black type shit to save my money. But I'm just gonna get the blacked out grill up. I wanna can I keep this. Hopefully I can keep this. If not, I'm just order another one. But new headlights coming. These so dull, and look at that, this look nasty, look at that. Dirty. This will be carbon, not carbon fiber, but blacked out. Get some LEDs down there. Might swap that front bumper out with a SRTA front bumper, so give like just like a more aggressive look down there. But if not, I'm just gonna throw the front splitter on there. I'm just gonna tint these out. Oh shit, dog that hopped up on me. Yeah, that's really much. That's really my stuff I got planned. We gonna peel this trim off. Like when we peel that trim off, y'all don't know, I'm gonna put y'all a hip. You feel me? If y'all pull the trim off, like D-Bass that right there, from the side, it look like the newer 300s. But damn, these rims dirty as fuck. Bumper. Bumpers falling off this shit. But these rims, I'm gonna see my pops or like my uncle could like do my shit all like a gloss black. Let me know what color I should do, like a matte black or like, satin black. That's what I'm saying. Ain't no saying jerk this way. But yeah, satin black, gloss black, or like a matte black. I got the drill and slaughter rotors if y'all don't know down there. Probably get some more of these. Those is blue down there. I'm gonna get some actual Brimbos and all that swap and shit. Coilovers back there and shit. That's really much it for real. Chrome delete this right here. Then we gotta chrome delete that. I'm probably get this like carbon fiber back here too, wrap to match this. But yeah, lower it and shit, you know, straight pipes and shit. Y'all should know what I got stuck. So if you do like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and that's it. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. Deuce.